Well, this is Trapper Red. We'll try to keep it short. It seems as though, and I don't know why, but when I originally troubleshot the red and yellow wire, I had it beeping out of the green wire. I mean the green connector. This green connector from here. Let me show you again so we know what it is. See, I got my little probe that I made out of a paper clip and wrapped with electric tape so it won't short out. Connected to my meter probe that's also wrapped in electric tape so it won't short out. Is connected to the connector that goes to the purge valve solenoid, which is right here, this Denso, this $170 unit. Yeah, so it goes to this connector here, which I got this paper clip jammed in here so I can troubleshoot and trace out the circuit. So coming over here then, so we don't kill our meter lead. You got to watch it too. Things aren't shorting out on the chassis because I think I got an erroneous reading because this was shorted to chassis. So I've got it up here on this insulation. You got to watch stuff like that. You'll get erroneous readings otherwise. So I took this probe here and I figured, well, I already traced out the green and white wire. It's probably on the same connector. And sure enough, it is. And it's this one. Right in here, if we can get at it with one hand, and that was the problem before. Was I wasn't getting at it properly. Oh, wait, here. See? Hear it? Yeah. There's the red and white wire, right here. 3 in. 3 in. 1, 2, 3 on the same connector that the green and white wire is on, which I traced out. Actually, no, the green and white wires I believe on. See, I'm confused now. Yeah, green and white wire is on this one too. See, there's a green and yellow, and there's green and white right here. Green and white. All right, so it's the red and yellow and the green and white. Pin 711 on the same connector, the gray, that's caused all this problem. So what I did is I took some of this Craig deoxit D5. Stuff is wonderful. Improved the flow of electricity. I squirted that stuff down. We're gonna clean up. We're gonna squirt the connector down too right here. We're gonna squirt these pins down on the PCM. Then we're going to plug this stuff back in once we check it for bent connectors real carefully with my reading glasses and stuff like this. And if there's nothing there, then we already know that the wires are good because we've performed an ohm meter test by connecting 2 different probes and getting the 0 reading. If you notice, I'm in the ohms, the omega ohms scale on this fluke. It's Radio Shack, but it's actually a fluke. And then the red goes into the volts ohms and the common is black. So the black goes to the other lead, and I'm showing you how to do it right now. Back probe it with a paper clip. It's good. I already checked the white and green, so all the wires are good. So that's good. That's good. Everything's good. Hopefully it's just oxidized connections. That, you know, oxidation, where the metal oxidizes and then you don't get good contact. Hopefully that's all it is, and there's nothing that needs to be done, and everything will start working and I'll get a green light go on this situation. This is Trapper Red.